Hello, welcome to Navnit Motors BMW Thane facility. I am Rajdeep Gavande, service manager for Thane facility. We provide service repairs, body repairs at our workshop. Cars have been booked with prior appointments. We do have online appointment system also. You can log on to www.onlineappointment.bmw.in. Cars coming in are initially checked by our service advisors. They are certified service advisors. Any specific concerns are being checked by our technical team. Proper estimation is given for the required repairs. Work has been completed post approvals from customers only. Post completion of the work, the cars have been test driven by our test drive specialists. After that, the cars have been sent for washing and polishing. Our team is ready to help you all the time for service repairs, body repairs and insurance procedures. Thank you.